My name is Anjali. Welcome to my room. This is my couch. I sit on when I get up. This is my timetable. I study every day. This is my timetable. I eat food on a table. This is my phone. I take use every time. This is my bed. I sleep on it. These are my paintings. These are my toys. I play with them every day. These are my fans. When I feel hot, then I on them. And I flip. These are my Lego blocks. I play with them every day. This is my table set. I learn table 1 to 20. These are my rainbow mirrors. They have my clothes, everything. And this is my almirah. I put things inside. This is my library. Just got a book. See? Bye everybody.